to study psychology after class 12 but confused whether to pursue BSc Psychology or BA Psychology, then guys, you are not alone. Hi, my name is Vidhi Kalra Balana and welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Economics, where I teach economic concepts in the span of just 5 minutes. Well, the topic for today is BA Psychology versus BSc Psychology. Both courses are very much similar in their approach but yet very different. And in this video, I have thought to explain you the clear difference between the two with respect to the subjects, the careers, the job, salary packages, and everything you need to know. So yeah, let's get into the video. And also guys, don't forget to like this video and do follow me on my Instagram handle, also known as 5 Minute Economics. So let's start with the very basic approach. So BA is arts focused and this is Bachelor's of Arts, whereas BSc is science based and that's why it's Bachelor's of Science. You get a science degree here, you get an art degree here, and both are 3-year courses. But here the course is more theoretical, cultural, and social aspects of human behavior are studied. Whereas over here we focus on biology, chemistry, and experimental research methods when we are studying BSc Psychology. So if you are interested moreover in counseling, communication, go for this. If you are more inclined towards bio, stats, and lab work, then go should. Moving ahead to the difference in subjects, guys. So under BA, you'll study human development, social psychology, counseling, gender studies, these types of subjects. Whereas under psychology, BSc psychology, you'll study neuropsychology, cognitive science, biopsychology, experimental psychology, stats. So if you're more inclined towards maths, stats, bio, go for this. But if you're more inclined towards reading, communicating, writing skills, then go for this. So let's talk about the skills you develop and the careers you are looking forward to. So basically under BA you learn more of communication and counseling, sociological aspects, the philosophical aspects, and understanding the human behavior. Whereas the skill you learn here is more of analytical and statistical, lab experimental, and scientific report writing. So I hope you're clear now. It's very much similar. The differences you learn, the skills you learn, and the careers what you'll choose. So here, you can pursue same career after doing BA or BSc. But what your undergrad is like, it will shape your career to be more of practical or theoretical. Your liking कि आपको किस aspect में जाना है. So careers like counseling, social work, HR, media communication, NGO and policy making. If you're more into BA, then आपके लिए ये best suited है guys. Whereas for BSc neuroscience, clinical psychology, research, healthcare, pharma में जाना है और cognitive therapy. So बेसिकली गाइस ऐसे बहुत रोल्स है, जैसे आप क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ कोर्स आफ्टर मास्टर्स आप दोनों करके बन सकते हो, बीए भी बीएससी भी. बट ऑफ कोर्स योर इंटरेस्ट शुड बी फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग कि आपको क्या लाइकिंग है इन सब्जेक्ट्स की, कि इन सब्जेक्ट्स की मोर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स लाइकिंग है, या आपकी मोर ऑफ इमोशंस थेरेपी अंडरस्टैंडिंग की लाइकिंग है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आप बीए करो या बीएससी. Coming to the top colleges, well, of course, LSR, which is Lady Shri Ram College, New Delhi, is one of the top. Christ University, Bangalore, FC, that is Ferguson College, Pune. These are the top. Of course, there are many more other colleges. For BSc, we have DUK, a few colleges are there who are for BSc Psychology. Symbiosis School of Liberal Arts, Pune, and Amity University, Noida. So, of course, guys, you have to check the requirements before applying, because some BSc psychology courses, colleges actually, they have, compulsion of having bio and, science background in 11th and 12th. Whereas, of course, your arts, commerce, any background will go for BA. So guys, talking about the higher studies and job scope, of course, if you're wanting to go into clinical psychology, PhD or some licensed psychology program, then BSc gives you a stronger base. You can, of course, do these courses right after BA also, but if you're स्टार्टिंग से यू आर क्लियर कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है फ्यूचर में, तो मैं बीए करूँ या बीएससी करूँ, तो इट विल गिव यू मच बेटर फ्यूचर में आपके लिए मतलब एक बेस अच्छा होगा. And if you are into teaching, counseling, then BA should be your calling, guys. So both degrees are globally recognized. No degree is higher or lesser. But of course, what it depends more after undergrad के बाद क्या करो, कितने आपने certifications किए, कितनी internships की, all those things count, guys. So as they say, degree builds your foundation, but who builds your career? It's you who builds your career. So it is of course on your working hard work कितना कर रहे हो, क्या score ला रहे हो, along with degree क्या क्या चीजें कर रहे हो, because just degree आज के time में everyone has the degree. So इसका जो plus point है वो आपके पास क्या है. Lastly guys, let's see what are your final thoughts. Now I think by the end of the video आप समझ गए कि आपको क्या करना है. Still let's see, if you're into writing counseling, B is your choice. आपको मैथ्स बायो नहीं पसंद है, go for BA Psychology. If you're more of artistic person and people's person, love to talk, therapy देना, advice देना, go for BA Psychology. But if you are fond of math, science, आपका passion है, go for BSc. अगर आपको क्लिनिकल रिसर्च पढ़ना, डेटा एनालिसिस पसंद है, go for BSc. लैब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, go for BSc. So this is the difference between the two courses. I hope guys ये वीडियो ने आपको हेल्प किया है. And let me know, are you team BA Psychology or BSc Psychology in the comments below. Also let me know next topic में कौन सी वीडियो पे बनाऊँ, मतलब कौन सी वीडियो next topic बनाओ. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, I'll come back with another very interesting course comparison video for you. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video pretty soon.